Jopuonj ma KUPPET koro dwaro mondo mi duol mandiko jopuonj TSC omigi list mar jopuonj duto manie pachoka ma osendiki ma pok ondiki ka migawo mar somo bende gidwaro mondo migi kwan mar sikunde duto mantie pachoka kaka achiel kuom yo mar yango poni nitie jopuonj kod sikunde manyawawa e pachoka. Koteni kod jagoro margi maduong' Akelo Misori moloso Malinde kinde romo manokelo kanyakla jotelo mag riwruogno makadho adnam chumbi nitie weche mathoth mapod okwako sekta mar somo mowinjo ket kare. Misori bende okoni romo margi kod duol mandiko jopuonj TSC jumani gibiro twak ewi osara mar jopuonj omenda mabalang' e kind weche mamoko.
Of 7th August 2020 that you undertake assignment that you have our support. Ministry of Education. We are meeting the Teacher Service Commission chairman. We already received a letter of the CBA opening up the CBA negotiations. And we are sounding the first warning that the Teacher Service Commission must tell us the number of teachers in this country by registration. And those numbers who have applied and have not gotten the jobs, who are engaged and are on the payroll, and those who are yet to be employed but are in the private sector. If they don't give us that, then it means that we have got so many ghost workers in this country. The Ministry of Education equally must give us the number of schools and their sizes. How much money do they disburse? And to what extent do we have deficit to fill the gap? Every worker has the right to daily subsistence allowance when they are working out of station, and that one must be made by the employer. It is not our mistake that the Teacher Service Commission does not budget for this, yet they are the ones who are charged with the management of teachers, and those teachers who are going out for co-curricular activities are supposed to enjoy these perks.
Ng'anyo ma tarik 25